In this step, we will show finally how our app connects with the database through DBHandler class. We will implement it while writing code. Firstly, we'll declare a variable, a DBHandler variable. This variable will handle all the database work later on. Then we'll create an actual object of the DBHandler. This means we are making a real connection between MainActivity and DBHandler class, so they can work together for the database tasks with the help of the object. And finally, we'll call a method for a DBHandler class. And lastly, this method will save the data in the database. Firstly, we'll write private DBHandler. Secondly, DBHandler equal to new DBHandler main activity dot this. Thirdly, add participant button dot set on click listener. In the set on click listener section, we'll write code for 4 types of works. First, declaring a variable to get input from the edit text. Setting the validation of the input box. Suppose if the input box remains blank, it will show toast message. We'll arrange to call a database method so that it can start work to transfer the variable value to the database. If the DB method executes successfully, instantly it will show a success message to the user. As there was no save method in the DBHandler class, we are going to create the save method in DBHandler class. We'll give the save method name as addParticipant method. Public void addParticipant string participant name SQLite database DB equal to this dot get writable database content values equal to new content values dot put column name participant name db dot insert table name null values. db dot close. Lastly, we'll check if the participant method is connected with the participant button. Then we'll write a very small code in the set on click listener so that after saving the name field, the name text field shows blank. Participant name edit dot set text. Hope that this will help us to make